Skip this and you're manually deploying while everyone else has automated it, which is why understanding and resolving common Docker errors is crucial for any Linux admin in a production environment. What it does. Docker is a containerization platform that allows you to package, ship, and run applications in containers. When a Docker container encounters an error, it can be challenging to diagnose and fix, especially in a production environment where downtime can be costly. In this scenario, we will explore the top 5 Docker errors that a Linux admin may encounter in production, including container exit codes, network failures, volume mount issues, image pull errors, and resource limits. Command/example. Breaking it down. Let's break down each of the top 5 Docker errors. 1. Container exit codes. When a container exits with a non-zero exit code, it can indicate an error occurred within the container. To diagnose this issue, you can use the Docker PSA command to check the container status and the Docker logs command to check the container logs. 2. Network failures. Network failures can occur when a container is unable to connect to the host network or other containers. To diagnose this issue, you can use the Docker network command to check the network configuration and the Docker exec command to check the container's network settings. 3. Volume mount issues. Volume mount issues can occur when a container is unable to mount a volume from the host machine. To diagnose this issue, you can use the Docker inspect command to check the container's volume configuration and the Docker run command with the V flag to mount a volume. 4. Image pull errors. Image pull errors can occur when a container is unable to pull an image from a registry. To diagnose this issue, you can use the Docker pull command with the debug flag to check the pull process and the Docker login command to check the registry credentials. 5. Resource limits. Resource limits can occur when a container exceeds its allocated resources, such as CPU or memory. To diagnose this issue, you can use the Docker stats command to check the container's resource usage and the Docker run command with the CPU and memory flags to set resource limits. Common mistakes. Common mistakes that can lead to these errors include not checking the container logs and status regularly, not setting resource limits for containers, not using a consistent network configuration, not mounting volumes correctly, not using a registry credentials file. Try this next. To practice diagnosing and fixing these errors, try running a container with a non-existent image, then use the Docker pull command with the debug flag to diagnose the issue. Next, try running a container with a volume mount issue, then use the Docker inspect command to diagnose the issue. Pro tip. In a production environment, it's essential to implement a monitoring and logging system to detect and diagnose Docker errors quickly. You can use tools like Prometheus and Grafana to monitor container resource usage and logs, and tools like Docker Swarm or Kubernetes to orchestrate and manage containers. By implementing these tools and best practices, you can ensure that your Docker containers are running smoothly and efficiently, and that you can quickly diagnose and fix any errors that may occur.